Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ahmed and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook page in just few simple steps. But before to begin this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for not missing any update in the future. And now, without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, first open your Facebook Lite app, then tap your profile, then tap switch profiles. Then select the page that you want to delete. Then tap three lines. Then scroll down. Then tap settings. Then scroll down again. Then tap access and control. Then tap deactivation and deletion. Then select the second option, which is delete page. Then hit continue. Then hit continue again. Then tap delete count. Then enter your password, then hit continue. Then tap delete count. And like that you can delete your Facebook page, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.